Hi, I'm Eddie the bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make a Cape Cod, also known as a Cape Codder. Take your highball glass, fill with ice. I call it a bucket glass. It's basically just vodka and cranberry juice. You take 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use a jigger if you like. I like the free pour, and you just fill it with cranberry juice. This drink's named after Cape Cod, Massachusetts, known for its cranberry bogs, I guess. And it became popular somewhere in the 40s, apparently by Ocean Spray. I'm not sure about this, is what I hear. By Ocean Spray as part of a marketing campaign to sell more cranberry juice. We'll see if I'm not sure if that's true or not. Grab a couple straws, and it takes a lime garnish. And there you have it. That's Cape Cod. Again, my name's Eddie the bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com. We carry a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, and hats, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.